Hello kids, welcome back to Kidji channel. Today we are going to learn the names of fruits in English. Are you ready? Let's start the video. This is an apple. It's round, red and keeps the doctors away. Can you guess, children? Yes, it's an apple. This is a banana. Banana is yellow. Can you point to something yellow around you? Wow kids, great job. Maybe found a yellow toy, a yellow dress or even the bright sun. This is a pineapple. Spiky outside, sweet inside. Pineapple ante anasapandu. Can you pretend to touch the spiky outside? Careful. Okay kids? Kids, guess what fruit comes next? This is a watermelon. Big green outside, red inside. Watermelon ante puchakaya. What shape is watermelon? Yes, round. This is a pear. Green, sweet and soft. Pear ante bera pandu. Guess what color it is? Yes, green color. This is a strawberry, red and heart shaped. Strawberry ante strawberry. Let's make a heart shape with our hands. Try chesara. Lovely మీరు strawberry heart చేశారు కదా. These are black grapes, small, juicy and yummy. Grapes ante ద్రాక్ష పండ్లు. Let's count grapes together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are green grapes. Green grapes also small, juicy and yummy. Grapes ante ద్రాక్ష పండ్లు అని చెప్పాను కదా. Do you like grapes? This is a pomegranate full of with tiny red seeds. Pomegranate ante దానిమ్మ పండు. Can you count the seeds inside a pomegranate? Cannot count them all, but they are super healthy and tasty. This is an orange, round and full of vitamin C. Orange ante narinja. Can you say O for orange? This is a dragon fruit. Pink outside, white inside with black seeds. Dragon fruit ante dragon పండు అని తెలుగులో అంటారు. This is an avocado. Green outside, soft and creamy inside. Avocado ante avocado పండు అని తెలుగులో అంటారు. Can you guess what color it is inside? Yes, green color. This is a muskmelon. Round, yellow outside and sweet inside. Muskmelon ante కర్బూజా పండు. Do you like to eat muskmelon? This is a papaya. Big orange inside and very soft. Papaya ante papaya పండు. Can you guess papaya sweet గా ఉంటుందా చేదుగా ఉంటుందా? Yes, correct. Papaya is sweet and very healthy. This is a green apple. Crunchy, tangy and tasty. Green apple ante ఆకుపచ్చ apple. Can you guess is green apple sweet or a little sour? Yes, green apple are a little sour and crunchy. This is a mango, the king of fruits. Mango ante మామిడి పండు. Kids, do you like mango juice or mango ice cream? This is a guava. Green outside, white or pink inside with tiny seeds. Guava ante jama పండు. Kids, do you like guava with salt and chili powder? This is a lemon, small, yellow and sour. Lemon ante నిమ్మకాయ. కిడ్స్, సమ్మర్లో నిమ్మకాయ జ్యూస్ ఎంత టేస్టీగా ఉంటుందో కదా. This is a sapota, small brown outside and very sweet inside. Sapota ante sapota పండు. Can you guess is sapota hard or soft inside? Correct. Sapota is soft, juicy and super sweet. Kids love eating it. Wow kids, today we learned so many yummy fruits in English. మీ ఫేవరెట్ ఫ్రూట్ ఏది కామెంట్లో చెప్పండి. డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ టు లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ కిడ్జీ ఛానల్ ఫర్ మోర్ ఫన్ లర్నింగ్ వీడియోస్. Bye bye kids, see you in the next video.